week I am testing the brand new GWM Tank 300 Ultra. This is a very cool looking 5-seater off-roader. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. In the back of the GWM Tank 300 there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs. They're really nice and easy to access and connect through the boot. Now I could fit 3 InfoSecure child seats in the back here, which is fantastic news for families. Now they all fit really nicely, and with those child seats installed in front of the forward facing child seats we could fit a 186cm passenger or driver. Or with the rear-facing Cocoon Go capsule, we could fit about a 180cm driver in front of it. Storage in the back of the GWM Tank 300 is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a child's sippy cup fits in there too. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold and conceal an iPad, and in the back of the central console box you've got 2 USB sockets, and there's a little shelf there for a phone too. The door pockets are a good size in the back. They'll hold a refillable water bottle. Storage in the front is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. Underneath the padded armrest there is a little shelf for storage, and then underneath that there's a good storage area. You can also slide a little shutter in there to turn an air vent on to cool it as well. There's a phone charging pad in front of the gear lever, and you've got USB and USB-C sockets there too. The glove box is a good size in here. That will hold a iPad and wallet with the manual. There's a padded glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins are a good size in the front here. They'll hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad and wallet fit too. By the driver's right knee there's also a couple of little storage drawers too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the Tank 300, which is fantastic for keeping rear passengers at the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also USB-C sockets there for charging devices while driving too. The media system in the Tank 300 is nice and modern to use. You adjust the climate easily on the screen, and you can turn your seat ventilation on and off through the media screen for both front seats. And you can change the vehicle settings for the lights too. You can turn the driver assist settings on and off to your choice in the driving and intelligent driving screens. You can look at your individual tyre pressures and temperatures, which is helpful when driving the Tank off-road. And the GWM Tank 300 has Apple CarPlay, so you can access your phone, music and apps while driving. When you put it in reverse, the camera images are excellent and clear, with a 360-degree camera, so you have great visibility in car parks and around children. The boot door of the GWM Tank 300 opens outwards, so you do need to consider that when you're parking. Let's find out how the taller prams fit in the boot. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Taller. When the boot is empty, it will hold 11 shopping bags. Or the Taller Sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the GWM Tank 300 Ultra with 2 shopping bags. Or the Taller Urban Glide 2, ultimate all-terrain stroller, with the back wheels on, fits easily in the boot with 1 shopping bag. Or the Taller Spring, lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the GWM Tank 300 Ultra with 6 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre Taller Chasm duffel bags, or a medium to large size dog. The GWM Tank 300 Ultra is a really nice car to drive. It's really good fun. It's got a lovely high seating position, so you can see out really nicely. Now, it's got a 2.5 ton towing capacity, so it's really good for family camping trips to tow a camper or a trailer, something like that. Now, the ride is comfortable around town. School and supermarket car parks and drop-offs are great, as well as out on the highway. I really enjoyed driving this with my family this week. For just $10,000 more, you can get a hybrid model, which is fantastic, and it's actually $25,000 cheaper than its competitor, the Jeep Wrangler, which is a fantastic saving. So to sum up with the GWM Tank 300, it does make a pretty cool family car. You can fit those 3 child seats across the back nicely with good legroom. The boot space is excellent for family camping trips, and you can fit those taller prams in the boot really nicely. The drive is excellent and the ride height is really nice too, and the media system and cameras are excellent.